Hello, it's Jill. This is your Tuesday video, one of two videos today on Tuesday, week 5 of our class. We're starting in on multiplication, and today we're focusing on learning our multiplication facts. This is something that will help you become better as the multiplications get larger next week. And multiplication facts will also help you with division when we start that in 2 weeks. So I'd really like everyone to practice multiplication facts for several days, 4 or 5 days, up to every day the next week if you can. A little every day is great. So these are the pages you will do, 11 through 15. Page 11 starts with memorizing multiplication facts. It's a nice page with a nice setup, but I'm going to show you something that you could do every day, a version of this that you could do on your own every day. And then the other pages are also just practice of multiplication facts. So up through page 15. But something you could do every day is set up a table like this, and it's great if you get your own piece of paper, notebook. It's good work for your brain to have your hand doing the work at the same time. And just I've made the numbers going down the side, so we're going to take all these numbers times 2 to start with. So that's called doubling, when we double a number. So 2 times 2 is 4, doubling 3 is 6, doubling 4 is 8, 10, 12, doubling 7, 14, 16, and doubling 9 is 18. So doubles are good to know. And once you know doubles, that actually leads really well into times 4. So you double the double, 4 times 4. So again, 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5, 20. And notice how we're doubling the double. 2 doubled, 4 doubled, 6 doubled. 6 times 4, 24. 7 times 4, 28. 8 times 4, 32. 9 times 4, 36. 16 doubled, 18 doubled. So 2 and 4 go nicely together. And times 3 is tripling. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 12. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. And maybe if you're not that good at multiplications, even just doing these every day would be great. But if you are better at multiplication, or you want to even work even more, you can keep working. So triple goes well with 6. So times 6, times something by 6 is the same as doing 2 triples. So we're going to double the triple here. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Notice it's doubling the triple. So those are related as well. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. 6 times 6 is 36. That's one of my favorite ones. Has a nice ring to it. 6 times 7 is one that I have a hard time with. I believe it's 42. 6 times 8 is another favorite. 6 times 8 is 48. And 9 times 6, 54. So maybe you'll develop a few that you start to know better than others, and that's fine. Most of us are pretty good with the 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. And practicing these a little every day, you will be amazed at how good you get even in just a few days' time. So that's why I'm really encouraging you with this. 7s are trickier. I just know how to count by 7. That was what I ended up doing. And 8s and 9s I'm going to show in another video. So that will be video number 2 in this series. Another set of multiplication facts I think is really good to know is the number times itself. So 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 4 is 16. These are all ones that are good to commit to memory. Just, learning. 8 times 8 is 64. 9 times 9 is 81. Those are great ones to commit to memory. So do these pages, practice this every day, and check out video 2 where I talk about some tricks for multiplying specifically by 9.